Mastermind fans, I'm Erin and today we're playing with Rainbow Loom Loomoji. Rainbow Loom is an arts and crafts kit that uses rubber bands to make bracelets and really anything else you can imagine. We love the Rainbow Loom Loomoji kit because it comes with special letter and emoji charms to incorporate into your designs. Each Rainbow Loom Loomoji kit includes an instruction manual with ideas to get you started, 132 glow-in-the-dark Loomoji charms, which are letters and emojis to add into your designs, 12 gift bags to package up your bracelets to give as gifts to friends and family, the Rainbow Loom, which you can use to lay out all of your designs, 600 assorted colored bands, 24 clips to finish your bracelets, and the Rainbow Loom hook. Now I'm going to show you how to make a bracelet with the Loomoji letter and emoji charms. So I'm going to make a single Rainbow Loom bracelet, and first you're going to start at the end of the loom that has a little number 1 and an arrow. So you'll start at the number 1 and you're going to work in the direction the arrow is pointing. So first you're going to start at this peg and move to the next peg, adding 1 Rainbow Loom band. And I'm going to use blue and yellow bands today, so then I'm going to take my next color and just put it in kind of a zigzag to the next peg. And then I'm going back to my yellow, and just going in that zigzag again. We'll just keep going, adding bands as we go until we get to the end of the loom. Next, we're going to add our glow-in-the-dark letter and emoji charms. So I'm going to start adding my letters, and I'm going to start on this peg because I want my word to be in the middle of the bracelet, not at the very beginning. So I'm going to just add my first letter right here. And then whatever word you want to spell or message you want to have in your bracelet, you just spell it out in charms in the right order and just keep going. Kind of in the same kind of zigzag pattern you used when you were adding your bands. So now we're going to start from the side with the number 2 and the arrow and work this way. And we're going to go into the second peg, go underneath that first yellow band, pick up the blue band and move it onto the next peg. And then we're going to go in underneath that blue band, pick up the next yellow band, and move that one over to the next peg. We're just going to keep doing that, looping our bands and hooking them onto the next peg. Just keep going until we get to the end of the loom again. So now that we've finished hooking all of our bands, I'm going to take this last band that I hooked over, I'm going to pick up the whole band, so both little loops that you kind of see there, onto my hook. And I'm going to kind of push it down the hook and pull it off. So this is the E-clip that I'm going to use to connect the first band and the last band of the bracelet together. So I'm going to take that first band off my hook, and that I'm going to hook to one end of the E-clip. Hook right in there. And then we'll take the band from the other end and hook that one on. Once you learn the simple Rainbow Loom designs, you can get creative and make more complicated designs like a double fishtail or even a flower design. You can even make a scarf with Rainbow Loom bands. There's no end to the possibilities. You can even add in things you have at home like charms. Even if you had an old watch, you could make a new band with Rainbow Loom bands. So have fun playing with the Rainbow Loom Loomoji and sharing all of your designs with your friends and family. You can find the Rainbow Loom Loomoji and lots of other great toys at mastermindtoys.com.